Okay, let's do this. In just the next few minutes, we're going to transform your relationship with AI from, frustrating into a genuine superpower. If you are tired of getting just meh results from AI, trust me, you are in exactly the right place.
Does this look familiar? You ask an AI assistant for something, and what you get back is, well, bland, generic, and frankly, pretty useless. It's a super common problem. But here's the good news. It's not the AI's fault, it's the prompts. And we are about to fix that for good.
I mean, just look at this. The difference is night and day, right? On the left, you've got this vague request, so you get a vague result. But on the right, that's where the magic is. By giving the AI a role, a clear task, an audience, and some limits, you're basically handing it a blueprint for success. This is the secret, right here. Precision equals power.
And that power is totally within your reach. Seriously. By the end of this short explainer, you're going to have the exact roadmap to join the top 1% of prompt experts, the people who get incredible results every single time.
So how do we actually get there? Well, it all starts with a simple but honestly brilliant foundation. Let's dive into your very first template.
This right here is the magic formula. Think of it as a simple recipe for a perfect result. You're telling the AI who to be, what to do, who it's for, and the exact style and format you want. This completely eliminates all the guesswork. Remember, you're not just asking a question, you are giving a complete set of instructions.
Okay, once you've got that formula down, it's time to level up. We're moving beyond the basics and into reusable patterns that can handle much more complex tasks and with total ease. Now this pattern, role-playing, is an absolute game changer. By asking the AI to put on a hat, to act like an expert persona, like a TED speaker, a top chef, whatever, you instantly elevate the quality, the tone, and the expertise of its answer. It's such a simple trick, but it works so well.
Next up is a technique that is just wildly effective: chain of thought. Instead of just asking for the final answer, you ask the AI to think step by step. That one simple phrase forces it to slow down and reason more logically, and that leads to dramatically better outcomes, especially for complicated problems or big decisions. We're talking 2 to 3 times better.
And using it is super easy. You just guide the AI through 3 logical steps. First, have it confirm that it actually understands your goal. Second, get it to brainstorm all the possibilities. And third, tell it to make a choice and, this is key, explain why it chose that one. You can use this for almost anything.
Okay, so this is where the real power starts to build. Individual techniques are awesome, but the real magic happens when you start chaining them together into powerful workflows you can use for your daily tasks.
Let's take content creation, for example. You can start by brainstorming a few ideas. Then you pick your favorite and use that role-playing pattern to write a draft. After that, you ask the AI to polish it up, and for the final step, you have it review its own work. In 4 simple steps, you've just built a repeatable system for getting high-quality content out the door fast.
All right, you ready? We are now getting to the techniques that truly separate the pros from the casual users. These are the elite tricks that are going to make you pretty much unstoppable. I have to admit, this is one of my absolute favorites. Build an AI team. Instead of asking just one AI for its opinion, you tell it to simulate a debate between a few different experts, say a marketer, a manager, and maybe a friend. This gives you this amazingly well-rounded perspective and helps you avoid that one-sided thinking. And here is a secret that is so simple, it's almost funny, but it is so powerful. If you're ever stuck, just ask the AI to help you. You can literally say, hey, I want to achieve X. Write a better, more detailed prompt that I can use. It'll often spit out a perfect template ready to go.
You know how AI can sometimes give you just a single, kind of generic answer? To fix that, ask for contrast. Ask it for 3 different options. One that's cheap and fast, another that's super high quality, and a third that's a nice balanced mix. This forces the AI to really think through the trade-offs and gives you a much richer set of choices to work with.
So you've got the formulas, you've got the patterns, and now you have the secrets. The final step, and maybe the most important one, is to turn all this knowledge into a powerful daily habit.
And it's a really simple 3-step process. First, save your top 10 favorite prompts somewhere handy, like in a Notes app. Second, make it a daily habit to just use one of them. And third, track your wins. Make a little note when a prompt saves you a bunch of time or helps you create something awesome. This is how you make these skills actually stick.
Look, the big takeaway here is that a little bit of consistent practice is the key. You really can fundamentally change how you work. Give it just 1 month, and you'll be getting faster, smarter, more creative results, while pretty much everyone else is still just guessing.
So, your AI superpower is now officially unlocked. The only question left is, what are you going to create with it first?